You've seen the headlines. Claude AI is making people millionaires. It sounds ridiculous because, frankly, it usually is. Most of that noise comes from internet gurus trying to sell you a fantasy. The actual way people are building wealth with AI is much more practical. This technology will not magically print money for you. Instead, it drastically shrinks the time between you having a good idea and having a real monetized product. You sit at the top as the CEO with the vision. Claude operates as your entire execution team below you, researcher, writer, and coder. But execution needs direction. Wealth happens when you identify a customer-specific friction point and use AI to resolve it faster. When you combine a real-world customer need with the raw execution speed of AI, you gain actual leverage. Let's look at 3 ways people are doing this right now. First is the digital product creator. The math here is highly favorable. You build an asset exactly once, and you can sell it infinitely. This visual illustrates how the workflow operates for specialized Google Sheets. In the past, you would spend weeks learning complex syntax. Now, you describe what you want in plain English, like a budget tracker for gamers, or a project plan for YouTubers, and a single sentence expands instantly into a fully functional grid of interconnected formulas. From there, you take that raw output and clean it up. You apply some basic visual styling with a tool like Canva and list the final packaged file on a digital marketplace like Etsy. Success in these markets requires consistency. By building a library of dozens of templates and optimizing for search traffic, top sellers generate 6-figure annual revenues as their volume of passive sales compounds over time. By letting AI handle the dense technical labor of writing formulas, you are free to focus entirely on designing a polished product and managing your market distribution. The second model is the one-person content agency. Businesses know they need consistent social media content, but they rarely have the time or skill to write it themselves. You fill that gap by offering high-value services like LinkedIn ghostwriting. This diagram shows the specific AI training workflow. You feed 20 of your clients' historical posts into the AI model. The system analyzes their specific vocabulary and cadence, outputting a precise, glowing signature of their personal voice. Once the AI learns that exact tone, it goes to work. In seconds, it generates a full week's worth of draft posts, structured specifically for that client's audience. But the AI only handles the volume. To charge premium rates, you step in for quality control, spending your time purely on editing, refining, and adding a human touch to the drafts. Because the system takes care of the heavy lifting and high-volume drafting, a solo operator can scale up to a premium agency income without ever incurring the overhead of hiring a staff of writers. The third model is the semi-custom website builder. Every local plumber, bakery, and mechanic needs a web presence, but very few of them can afford a high-end custom design agency. You step in using Claude to generate a clean, professional website template tailored exactly to their niche. You don't need any programming expertise because the AI provides the foundational code instantly. You then take that foundational wireframe and customize it. You swap in the client's photos, update their text, and deploy the site quickly. This graphic compares the typical costs, illustrating a highly profitable middle ground. Rather than dropping a massive $10,000 on a completely custom build, a small business can comfortably pay between $1,000 and $5,000 for your fast, semi-custom site. Ultimately, your clients aren't paying for lines of code. They're paying for a rapid, functional business result, while the AI absorbs the complex technical labor required to build it. Having a list of theoretical business models is useless without a repeatable system to execute them consistently. That system is the engine. You find a hungry market, use AI to create a valuable product, and distribute it organically without burning cash on ads. This concrete business routine replaces the magic button fantasy with a documented workflow. To help you put this into practice, we've built a done-for-you system. By clicking the link in the description, you can get a step-by-step guide aimed at helping you build this exact digital engine to hit a concrete goal, like $200 a day. AI significantly reduces the capital and specialized skill required to launch a company. Pick a model, focus on the specific needs of your market, and use these tools to build something people are willing to pay for.